Hello, I'm wbz-tv meteorologist Barry Burbank. I got your forecast as we start the new year, and tonight's the night as we ring in that new year, and it looks like it's going to be ringing wet as we do that, as rain gets underway around 7 to 9 o'clock. Should be around 40 in Boston, some 30s north and west. But after that, once the rain is gone, tomorrow is going to be very, very mild, but very, very windy for New Year's Day. Much different than it was last year at this time as we contrast the two. Last year, the old snowman here was shivering to pieces because the high was 13 in Boston, the low was a goose egg, 0. That was last year. But this is this year, and look what we have, 57. The snowman is melting, and it looks like the forecast low for New Year's Day this year will be about 32, but that won't happen until late in the evening on New Year's Day, so that's quite a shift in the weather pattern. And the storm that's coming our way is coming right out of the southwest. It's going to come right across northern New England during tomorrow, and its rain shield will come up and certainly soak us for this evening. Also producing some severe weather down in the lower Mississippi Valley today. Around midday, so some scattered strong to severe thunderstorms. We shouldn't get any of those here, but we will certainly get the rain as it clouds over this afternoon after seeing a little patchy cloud cover this morning, and it starts raining this evening. But just cold enough so as it begins across north central Massachusetts and also the Berkshires and extreme southern Vermont and southern New Hampshire, there'll be a spell of snow, sleet, and freezing rain. But farther to the north, there'll be a much longer period of snow, sleet, and freezing rain. So if you're going up there to celebrate New Year's, be careful because there's going to be some tough traveling conditions up there tonight, late this evening, and overnight into tomorrow. So here comes the rain. When is it coming in? Well, about 6 o'clock, it's moving into Worcester County. By 7 to 8 o'clock, it's moving into Boston. But here's the snow and sleet and freezing rain. Just a very brief spell of it as it starts. Then it turns over to rain. But up here, it lasts longer. And by the time we get to midnight to 1 or 2 in the morning, man, it's coming down like crazy here, lower 40s. But then it's gone, and we end up with a lot of wind in the wake as that storm travels across northern New England like this. The mild air is pushed out to sea. Strong winds take place. The cold air starts really rushing in here in the afternoon. How strong will it be? Enough so the National Weather Service has a high wind watch out for now, for tomorrow, but probably will be upgraded late today to a high wind warning for the potential of winds of 20 to 30 and gusts to 50 to 60 in this zone here, somewhat less to the south. See those winds tomorrow morning. 1 in the morning, starting to really ramp up, 5 to 7 o'clock in the morning, 46, 50, 60-mile-per-hour gusts. So it is going to be quite a windy day for sure. And then there'll be not much wind at all left on Wednesday when it's so much colder, 32. After we hit 57 late tomorrow morning, it falls into the 40s by late afternoon. And then quiet weather until we get to the end of the week. And it's going to be some kind of storm. I'm not sure just how it's all going to shake out yet. We'll call it starting as rain, but there may be some snow coming into the picture somewhere closer to Boston this time around. All right, that's your forecast for now. Happy New Year.